Winning the SEO Game, Part 8. How to do local SEO. SEO factor number 6. Site authority. Some websites carry more authority than others. Major news outlets carry more weight than websites run by a single person. When it comes to search results, Google tends to favor high-authority websites. What makes a site authoritative? The first key to authority is backlinks. Sites with a lot of backlinks from a variety of sources are considered to have more authority than sites with a limited number of backlinks. Another key to authority is topical expertise. Google knows that no one can be an expert in everything. They prefer sites that focus on being an authority in one particular area. Building the authority of a website is all about momentum. The more extremely authoritative content you create, the more backlinks you'll attract. More backlinks result in your site being more authoritative. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.